Welcome to you all in my YouTube channel Experience Mathematics. Today I am continuing the process of factorizations exercise. Last time I had given some classwork, and from this I had given one question only, and some more questions are here. I will continue that, and I will also give you the answer to these questions, and now okay, so last time I had given you some questions, and this question number 1 I had given, and that I have stopped. And now here I will present you some questions, and I will also give you the answer to these questions. If you have solved, then you can check the answers so that you will be confirmed whether your answers are correct or not. So first answer to this first question is a plus b equal to 15, a b equals to 50 is given here. So it will be a plus b whole square, that will be 15 whole square, that will be 225 minus 2ab, that is 100, that will be 125. So answer to this first question will be 125. So answer to this first question is answer is 125. Similarly, answer to the second question is also the same, that is also its answer is also same, that is 100. That is also 125. And answer to the third question is its answer is 98. Answer third question's answer is, that is 98. So I hope that all of you have done these questions correctly. And now let's proceed to the next question. Example 3, find the value of 8x cube plus 125y cube if 2x plus 5y equal to 7 and xy equals to 9. So for this we need to use AQ plus BQ formula. We have two types of formula of AQ plus BQ. We will use second type of formula for this AQ plus BQ type of expressions. So how to do it? Look at here. So here 2x plus 5y equal to 7 and xy equals to 9. And using the formula a plus b whole cube equals to a plus b AQ plus BQ. Here should be, okay, sorry, here must be okay, here a plus b whole cube equals to AQ plus BQ plus 3ab times a plus b is the formula. Okay, and now using this formula, what we can write here is here 8x cube plus 125y equals to 2x whole cube plus 5y whole cube, and this AQ plus BQ equals to here will be a plus b whole cube minus 3ab times a plus b. So here also this 2x plus 5y whole cube minus 3 times 2x times 5y times 2x plus 5y. Okay, so here from this we can make the formula, that is a plus b whole cube minus 3ab times a plus b. So using that we can write like this way. So look at the formula. Okay, so formula for a cube plus a cube plus q is that equals to a plus b whole cube minus 3ab times a plus b. We have this formula for a cube plus b cube, which will be obtained from this a plus b whole cube formula. Okay, so from this formula, this plus 3ab times a plus b goes there, so a plus b whole cube minus 3ab times a plus b formula will be formed. So using a cube plus b cube equal to a plus b whole cube minus 3 times ab times a plus b formula, we can write like this way. And now this 2x plus 5y value, from here we can put 7 minus 3 times 2 6 times 5 30, and this xy value 9 we will substitute, and 2x plus 5y value we put 7. Next step, look at here. This value of this is 7, its whole cube, minus 3 to the 6, 5 to the 30, we have written here. This x times y, xy value from here is 9, so 9 is written here. 2x plus 5y value is 7 we have written here. 7 times whole cube, 7 times 7 times 7, that is 343. Multiplying all this, you will get 1890, and now while subtracting we will get minus 1547. Okay, in this way we get the value of this expression. Now next question, we have to factorize in this question. So here our question is 8 over x cube minus 27 over y cube. This can also be expressed as a cube minus b cube form. So in place of a we have 2 over x and its whole cube. In place of b, 3 over y whole cube. So 8 equals 2, we can write 2 times 2 times 2, so 2 whole cube we can write. 27 means 3 times 3 times 3, so 3 whole cube we can write. Okay, so using a cube minus b cube formula, a cube minus b cube formula is a minus b times a square plus ab plus b square. So using that we can write like this way: a minus b, a square plus ab plus b square form. So from this we can get this, and this 2 over x whole square, that is 4 over x square, 2 is 6 over xy plus 9 over y square. Now we can take out LCM from this. Xy is LCM, so x can divide xy y times. That means when we divide xy by x cancels, so y multiplies 2, so 2y. Here y and y cancels. When we divide xy by y, so x multiplies 3. And now from this all, LCM is x square y square, and x square divides this y square times, because when you divide x square and x square can be cancelled, so y square multiplies 4. And xy can divide x square xy times, that xy multiplies 6, so 6xy here. And while dividing x square by y square cancels, x square multiplies 9, so we will get 9x square. In this way we get here, here is outside there nothing is 1, and xy times x square y square is x cube y cube, and this 2y minus 3x, and this y square plus 6xy plus 9x square. That is the required simplified answer to this questions. Okay, so factorization of this. Now look at next question. So next question is x cube plus 8y cube minus 2x plus 2y is here, and here x cube plus 8y cube is 2y whole cube we can write, minus 2x plus 2y you can write. So a cube plus b cube formula we can use here. So using a cube plus b cube formula, we have a plus b, a square minus should be here. Okay, so a cube plus b cube formula here is mistake, so I will do correction to this here. So here is minus plus b cube is a plus b, a square minus ab plus b square. And now from this x plus 2i and then x plus 2i, that will be okay. So I'm continuing the questions. X cube plus 8x 2i cube minus 2 times x plus 2i, and this is x cube plus 2i whole cube we can write, and minus 2x plus 2i. So using a cube plus b cube formula, we can write a plus b, a square minus ab plus b square. So using a cube plus b cube formula, a plus b, a square minus ab plus b square I have written, and this 2 times x plus 2i is as it is. Okay, so here a cube plus b cube formula I have written, I have used this formula, a cube plus b cube formula is, I have already written, so just to make it clear here as well, so I have written here once again, a plus b times a square minus a times b plus b square. Okay, we have this formula, and I have used this formula for this. Here in place of a we have x, in place of b we have 2y. I have used that formula here in place of a x, in place of b, so a plus b. In place of a we have to write x, in place of b 2x, in place of a x, so x square here, minus from the formula, in place of a x, in place of b 2i, so x times 2i is 2xy, plus b square, in place of b we have 2i, so 2i whole square is 4i square, minus this 2 times x plus 2i is same. Now x plus 2i is same, x square plus 2xy plus 4i square, x plus 2i is common, x plus 2i from this and from this is common, and after you take out common, here what is left is x square minus 2xy plus y square is left here, so here is not plus, here is minus. Okay, so here will be minus, not plus, and now this is our required answer, x plus 2i, x square minus 2xy plus y square minus 2 is the required answer to this question. So now we have next question. In this next question, here 8x cube, this is perfect cube, and this last one is also perfect cube. So now we can write perfect cube terms together. 8x cube means we can write 2x whole cube. This 125y cube, you can write 5y whole cube. So 125, either you can factorize or you can find out cube root from the calculator. Cube root of 125 is 5, and y cube, you can add y whole cube. So taking this first and last, we can write like this way, and from these two, common is 10. Common means HCF of 20 and 50 is 10. Okay, and similarly x square and x, common will be x, because HCF of x square and x is x, HCF of y square and y is y. Okay, so while taking out common, smallest power comes out as common, x small power is 1, out of x square and x smallest power is 1, so x power 1 comes out common. Here y power 2, here y power 1, smallest one is the 1, so y power 1 comes out as common. So when you take out 10xy common, 10 can divide 20 2 times. From x square, if you take out x, x remains there, because x square meaning is x times x. So if one x comes out, then another x remains inside. A y has already come out, so 2x only will be there. Minus as it is, 10 can divide 55 times, 10 5s are. From this x has already come out, from y square y has already come out, so y remains here. So Now here is AQ minus BQ, so we can use AQ minus BQ formula for this. And as you know that AQ minus BQ formula is AQ minus BQ formula I have already written, so just to remind I'm writing here once again. AQ minus BQ formula is this equals to A minus B minus B times A square, that is A square plus A B plus B square. Okay, we have this formula for AQ minus BQ. So using this formula, in place of A we have 2x, in place of B we have 5y. In place of A we have 2x, in place of B 5y. So wherever there is A we can write 2x, wherever there is B we can write 5y. Here also in place of A 2x, in place of A 2x, in place of B 5y, in place of B 5y, and then you will get this expression A minus B 2x minus 5y, A square minus 2x whole square, that is 4x square, plus A times B 2x times 5y is 10xy, plus B square 5y whole square, that is 25 square, plus 10xy, and 2x minus 5y as it is. And now from this, and then from this we can take out 2x minus 5y common. So 2x minus 5y has been taken out as common. Now 4x square plus 10xy plus 25y square plus 10xy is left, because this has already been taken out. So this will remain here and this 10xy remains here. And now again we can simplify here. This 10xy and 10xy can be added. And 2x minus 5y, 4x square plus 20xy plus 25y square. This much we can write. Okay, and now 2x whole square and this 5y whole square, you can make 2ab form in the middle, 2 times 2x times 5y. So it is just like a square plus 2ab plus b square. So a square plus 2ab plus b square is a plus b whole square. So this can also be written as 2x plus 5y whole square. So this is 2x minus 5y and this 2x plus 5y whole square. So this is the these are the required factors for this given expression. Now next question, p plus twice q whole q minus p minus twice q whole q is here. So you can suppose this as a and this as b, and then you can use aq minus bq formula. AQ minus PQ formula I have already written. Okay, so to remind, I will mention it once again. AQ minus PQ formula is A minus B times A square plus AB plus B square. Okay, so we can use this formula for AQ minus BQ. So in place of A we have here P plus twice Q. In place of A we have P plus twice Q. In place of B we have P minus twice Q. So where there is A we write P plus twice Q, minus from the formula same. Where there is B we have to write P minus twice Q. So we need to write here bracket also, because minus will multiply here and it will be plus later. And wherever there is A, P plus twice Q, plus from the formula. Wherever there is A, in place of A we have P plus twice Q, in place of B P minus twice Q from here, plus B square means P minus twice Q and C square. Now we will simplify. So P plus twice Q will be same, minus P, minus times minus it will be plus twice Q. Okay, that we will write in the next step. So this minus times minus plus twice Q. We are using A plus P whole square formula. A square plus 2 times P times twice Q, that will be 4PQ, plus B square 2Q whole square 4Q square, plus it is just like a plus b, a minus b. Our formula for a plus b, a minus b is a square minus b square. So in place of a p, so p square minus from the formula, in place of b we have twice q. So okay, so now here this minus p and then plus p can be cancelled, and it will be 4 q So now here minus p and plus p can be cancelled, and twice q plus twice q, it will be 4q, and in this p square plus p square plus p square will be 3p square, and this 4pq and then minus 4pq can be cancelled, and this minus 4q square and plus 4q square can also be cancelled, and so here what remains is I will write here. Alright, so here this plus 4pq plus 4pq and then minus 4pq can be cancelled, and this plus 4q square can be cancelled with minus 4q square, and so what remains is this p square plus p square plus p square is 3p square, and 4q square is also left. Okay, so these are our required factors. Now we have next example. 3p minus 5q is given, and 7pq minus 125q equals to 8 is given. We need to find out the value of pq. Okay, so we know aq minus bq formula is a minus b whole q plus 3 times ab times a minus b. So here this also can be expressed in this formula, and in place of a and b we will have pq, and from that with suitable modification we will be able to get the value of pq. So here aq minus bq is 27pq minus 125q whole q, and in place of a we have thrice p and its whole cube, minus in place of b we have here 5q whole cube. Okay, so just now here I am writing aq minus bq form. I am expressing this in the form of aq minus bq form. 27pq means 3p whole cube, 125q whole cube means it is 5q whole cube. So aq minus bq equals to, I will use this formula after this. So now here 27pq minus 125q whole cube equals to, from here 8 we can write, this left hand side equals to 8 we can write, and this equals to aq minus bq formula we can use, that is a minus b whole cube plus 3 times ab times a minus b. Okay, so aq minus bq formula is used here. So aq minus bq formula I have already mentioned in previous video also, but just for reminder I will mention here so that it will be easy for you to understand. That is aq minus bq formula is, that is equals to, that is a minus b times that is a minus b whole cube plus, we have a second type of formula, that is a minus whole cube plus 3ab times a plus b, 3ab times a plus b, 3ab times a plus b. Okay, we have this formula for aq minus bq, and we can use this formula. Here in place of a we have thrice p, and in place of b we have 5q. So wherever there is a we put 3p, and wherever there is b we write 5q. Okay, and in that way we can easily write this expression. In place of a 3p, in place of b 5q, this minus is from the formula, and this plus from the formula. 3 times a is 3p, in place of b we have 5q, in place of a 3p, and then sorry, here is minus, not plus. Okay, so here is minus, okay, not plus. Okay, and then right, I will use eraser. So okay, I will erase and then I'll write it again. Okay, so here is minus. Okay, so okay, so here 3 times A is 3P, B is 5Q, and in place of A 3P minus from the formula, and in place of B 5Q. Okay, so using this formula, for this we can easily write this expression. Left hand side I have already mentioned, that is 8 from here, and now next step, 8 equals to this 3P minus 5Q value is also given, that is 4 only Q we can write for this, and 3 3s are 9, 5s are 45. This P times Q, PQ, and 3P minus 5Q value is 4. So now here 45 times 4 is 180 PQ, and here 8, this is 64. 64 goes to other side, and 8 minus 64 we will have, and PQ will be 8 minus 64 is minus 56 over this 180. Okay, and you can divide numerator by 4 and denominator also by 4. So 4 can divide this 56 14 times, 4 can divide 180 by 80 45 times. Okay, so minus 14 over 45 is our required value of PQ. Now look at next example. Here x plus 1 over x is given. Find the value of x cube plus 1 over x whole cube. Okay, so here we have to find out x cube plus 1 over x cube. So generally, if cube we have to find out, then it will be easy if you take the cube of this. We can also use this formula, that is a cube plus b cube. Formula is a plus b whole cube minus 3ab times a plus times here a plus b whole cube minus 3ab times a plus b. Here also I will correction 3ab times here a plus b. So in this also a cube plus b cube. So a cube plus b cube, in place of a cube plus b cube we have x cube plus 1 over x whole cube. Okay, so here this using this formula, a cube plus b equal to a plus b whole cube. In place of a we have x, in place of b this is 1 over x cube means 1 over x whole cube we can write. So in place of b we have 1 over x cube from the formula minus 3. In place of a we have x, in place of b we have 1 over x, in place of a we have x, plus in place of b we have 1 over x. So using this formula we can easily write this. And now x cube plus 1 over x cube, this x plus 1 over x, that's value from here is 1, minus 3 times x and x can be cancelled. Okay, and this x plus 1 over x value is 1 given. So we have 3 times 1 times 1. Okay, it will be, look at here. So here this x can divide this x 1 time, x 1s are x, so 3 times this 1 times this 1. Okay, here no sign means here is multiplication sign. And now from this we can okay, so x cube plus 1 over x cube minus equals to 1 whole cube, this is 1 according to question, and minus 3 times 1 times 1, this is also 1. And now when you simplify this we will get its value. Okay, so when you simplify this 1 cube minus 3 times 1 times 1, 1 minus, it is 1 cube is 1 times 1 times 1, that is 1, minus 3, that will be minus 2 here. So this is the required value of x cube plus 1 over x cube. that is minus 2. So now I have brought some questions for practice. Altogether here are 4 questions, and when you practice this, then you want to check whether the answers are correct or not. So I will write its answer on the side, and after you will practice, you can check whether your answers are correct or not. So I will write the answers on the side. Answer to this question number 1 is, its answer is 14. Its answer is 14, and answer to this question number 2. Answer to this question number 2 is 425. 425, and so answer to this question number 3 is, that will be, its answer is 40, and question number 4 is the proving one. So if you can get this expression x cube plus 8y plus 9 equal to 0, then it's sure that you have done it correctly. I hope that you found this video helpful. Please do not forget to subscribe my channel so that I will be encouraged to make similar type of videos, and also press the bell icon so that when I make new videos you will be informed about my coming videos. Thank you very much.